Sunday, I'm in Wales and I'm out with the Celtic Heritage Metal Detecting Club, and we've got lots of fields. Well, I say lots of fields, we've got 5 fields, so yeah, enjoy and see you at the first hole. The first one's a 7, so I'm expecting it to be foil, to be fair, but it's just not moving at all. It's 7 all the way round. So, yeah. No, it's just a washer. First hole, just a washer. 55, 57 that way. 57, 58 that way. What we got? A coin or a button? No, it's nothing. It's just flat. That must be somewhere else. There is there. Oh, definite coin. An old half-p. Old halfpence. So when we went over to decimal, we were given the half-p's, little ones, and there you go. Ah, look at the view, look at the view. Look at that. Hey, absolutely stunning. Very, very steep. 84, 85, 86. 86, 88. Oh. What we got here? Coin of some sort. Bit of a funny colour. Is that a George III? Let's have a look. He's definitely looking that way. I would say it's George III. Yeah, I'm going to go with George. There you go. Second coin. Oh, I think I just got a button. I think I just got a button. Is it a button? No, it's not a button. Oh no, it's a modern day furniture connector. Oh well. Oh, there you go. Yeah, don't know what that is. Clip of some sort. Going by that point. But yeah, I haven't got a clue. If you know, be interested to know myself. I've got an 18. That's a button. Oh no, what's that? Yeah, I think it's a button. Don't know, it's got lettering on it. So you can just give it a little bit of a squirt actually, rather than possibly a seal of some sort, I think. FP. Possibly there was something there pinned through. Yeah, I think that's a seal. I think it was pinned there, going through to there. There you go. 53, 54, 52, 54. Let's see what we've got, shall we? Yeah. It's out now. Ah, little watch winder. Little watch winder. There you go. Oh, we've got 58 solid. Doesn't matter which way round I go. It's 58. Ah. Right, got another coin. Certainly is. Another coin. Bit of spray for that. Just to clean it up a little bit. It's thin, so it's going to be probably George III, George II again. Or unidentifiable. No, that's fine. Toasted. toasted, completely toasted. $54.55 and a $54.55 that way as well. So let's see what we've got, shall we? Oh, it's a coin. It's a coin. Is that Mr. Grumpy again? Or is it going to be someone else? I don't know why I just threw that there. It's going to be, I think that's an Edward, isn't it? Is that an Edward? That might be an Edward the 7th. I might be wrong. Yeah, it's 1900 and something. I think it's 1904 or 106, something like that. So yeah, I'd say that's Edward the 7th. I've just got an old spoon, or what's left of it. It's got some markings on there, I think. I may have to, that's coming up, I think that's silver. That's cleaning off really, really well. Oh. Yeah, I think I've got silver. Let's just see. But yeah, I think that's silver. Give that a light brush. But yeah, I think I've got part of a silver spoon. Or yeah, it's going to be silver spoon, isn't it? And there you go. I'm not sure if it's a button or a coin. I think it's more likely to be a button. Yeah. Yeah, just a button. No pattern on it. There you go.